But let anyone imagine anything, it's going to come out into this world round about us and project itself on the screen of space to bear witness to his own creative power. He's creating it morning, noon, and night. So watch what you are imagining. So as you imagine, so your life is going to be. First of all, define what I want to be. What would I like to be in this world? Now begin to imagine as if it were true. I know what I want to be. Well then, if I want to be it, cease wanting to be it and appropriate it. Make the feeling something that is real now. Suppose it were true. Begin now to imagine the thing as if it were true. That is subjectively appropriating the objective hope. I hope it will be true. Well now, appropriate it first subjectively, as though it is true. So I appropriate it subjectively. As I appropriate it subjectively, what am I appropriating? I am appropriating the objective hope. Simply persist in the imaginal act. To change my world, I have to change the imaginal act. Every natural effect in this world has an imaginal act as the cause. The so-called outside causes are all delusion. It is not caused by things round about you. It's the unseen cause, the imaginal act, that produces it.